Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, August 11th, 2026 at 10:19, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in today's Day 1 Outlook, excuse me, you're going to have to deal with me with allergies today. So today we have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, much of central Indiana, southwestern Ohio, northern Kentucky, and extreme western West Virginia. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, central Illinois, southern Indiana, central and eastern Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, central and northern North Carolina, western to central Virginia, much of West Virginia, central Ohio, northeastern Indiana, southwestern Michigan. Pardon me again. We also have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern Nebraska, western and central South Dakota, and southern North Dakota. And we have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of central to southern North Dakota, much of South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, much of Iowa, southern southern Minnesota, southern Wisconsin, going down through central Illinois, southern Indiana, central Kentucky, middle to eastern Tennessee, northeastern Alabama, much of Georgia, all of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, and eastern Virginia, much of Maryland, Washington, D.C., all of Delaware, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, northeastern Ohio, and central to southern New Jersey. So we have those areas under a margin of risk. We also have parts of southeastern California under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today, we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of eastern Iowa, extreme southwestern Wisconsin, central Illinois, central Indiana, northern Kentucky, southwestern Ohio, and western and central West Virginia under a 2% tornado risk. So we have Chicago, Indianapolis, Columbus, Cincinnati, and Louisville under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. We today's wind risk, we've got a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of eastern Iowa, central Illinois, central Indiana, northern Kentucky, and southwestern Ohio, and extreme western West Virginia. We have a small 30% normal that encompasses extreme northeastern Kentucky and southern and western West Virginia. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of southern Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, central Illinois, central Indiana, and central Kentucky, going back through parts of central Ohio and northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. We have a 15% normal that encompasses southwestern Michigan, parts of southern Wisconsin as well, eastern Iowa, parts of central Illinois, southern Indiana, central Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, western and central Virginia, northern and central North Carolina, much of West Virginia, and central Ohio, and southwestern Michigan. We have another 15% that encompasses parts of northern Nebraska, central and western South Dakota, and southern North Dakota. And we have a 5% that encompasses central to southern North Dakota, southern Minnesota, much of North Dakota, much of Nebraska, or I should say northeastern and northern Nebraska, much of Iowa, extreme northeastern Missouri, southern Wisconsin, parts of central Illinois, southern Indiana, central Kentucky, middle to eastern Tennessee, northeastern Alabama, much of Georgia, all of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, central to eastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., much of Maryland, all of Delaware, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, central to southern New Jersey, northeastern Ohio, and southern Michigan. So we have those areas under a 5%. We also have a 5% for southeastern California. So we have those areas as well under a 5%. So we have Chicago, Indianapolis, Columbus, Cincinnati, and Louisville under the significant severe. Chicago, Indianapolis, Columbus, Cincinnati, and Lexington Fayette under the 30%. Charlotte, Raleigh, Louisville, Greensboro, and Madison under the 15%. And Philadelphia, Baltimore, Milwaukee, Washington, D.C., and Nashville under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 70 to 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 30% normal, we could see 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% hatched, we also could see 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15%, oh, there's the reset. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and southwestern North Dakota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses southern North Dakota, central South Dakota, and northern Nebraska. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and southwestern North Dakota. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses central to southern South Dakota, North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, and parts of much of Iowa and southern Minnesota and extreme southwestern Wisconsin. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Rapid City, Spearfish, Rapids Valley, Sturgis, and Belforche under the significant severe. Rapid City, Bismarck, Mandan, Jamestown, and Pierre under the 15%. And Omaha, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Des Moines, and Sioux Falls under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch downward hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch downward hail possible today. 5% hatch, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch downward hail possible today. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts will be possible today from the eastern Iowa and northern Illinois vicinity into parts of the Ohio Valley and central Appalachians. Areas of severe wind gusts and hail will also be possible over parts of the northern plains. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk.
Are you sitting at home living in pain? Maybe it's in your hands, maybe your back or your hips. The good news is you don't need to live.
There's today's tornado risk.
Because there is Omega XL, a one-of-a-kind, natural, powerful joint relief supplement created from the green lift muscles of New Zealand. Drug-free, non-habit forming.
And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I'll have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon, as well as any day 1 outlook updates. Anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.